Chloe.
Hi,
Hey, where did we go today?
Daddy. Farmer's market.
Yeah, we went to a farmer's market up in Pennsylvania called Roots. What did we get there?
Some tomatoes and peas, and some cauliflower, and some zucchini.
And some zucchini. What else is up there with the zucchini?
Some yellow squash, and some corn, and some cucumbers, and some eggs, and
Some what?
some
We got a cabbage.
cabbage,
It's bigger than your head.
and some eggs, and some beef jerky.
Did you like the beef jerky?
Yes.
We ate some on the way home, didn't we? And we got some.
Apple.
And we got some.
Whoopie pies.
Yeah. Do you want to try a whoopie pie?
Yeah.
Which one do you want to try?
Unicorn.
You want to try the unicorn one? All right. Well, why don't we give them all a little taste? How's that sound? All right. Let's start. Is it rolling already? All right, Chloe. We have 3 whoopie pies here. This is the original whoopie pie. And this has like 2 chocolate cakes or cookies on the outside with a white frosting. And then they've started making a whole bunch of different flavors. Now, this was my favorite as a kid. And this has a peanut butter frosting. And I know you picked one today. Which one did you pick?
Unicorn one.
You picked a unicorn one. And it's the unicorn one because of the color, but this is the raspberry flavored one. Now, did you know that a lot of places claim to be the originator of the whoopie pie? But this comes from the Amish Pennsylvania Dutch tradition. So, you want to give these a try?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. I'm gonna try my favorite. I'm gonna try peanut butter.
I'm gonna try the original one.
Tastes pretty good. Tastes pretty good.
Is it good?
It got me
It's still delicious.
Nice.
Try the original.
So good. How is it? What about this one? Is it good?
How's the unicorn one, Chloe?
Good.
Can Daddy try it?
Can I try a piece of your unicorn one?
All right, here we go. Let's try the raspberry. Sweet, really sweet.
I'll have a different taste.
Chloe, you want to try the peanut butter one?
Okay.
Here we go. I'll cut you a smaller piece. It's pretty big. Here you go. Try that one. Well, I still think peanut butter is my favorite.
I think the original is my favorite.
Which one's your favorite, Chloe?
Unicorn.
The unicorn one? Well, I guess we lined them up correctly. Well, you want to tell everybody goodbye?
Goodbye.
Bye.
Thanks for tuning in, guys.
See you next week.
All right, bye-bye.
Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.